This is the teardown video of Q9 smartwatch. Little cute thing here is Q9, and the screen of this watch is broken, so I thought of doing a teardown video on this one. It has got some nice feature, costs only around 1500, and I brought this 1.5 years back from AliExpress. Some sellers still sell this Q9 smartwatch for the price tag of around 4500 in Amazon India. So 2 years back this one was really popular, and it has got functions like blood pressure monitor, then customizing your own screensaver. So those were very nice functions. And downside to this one is it has got no touch screen and only one touch capacity button. So that was the downside to this one, and the other functions were pretty basic. So it has got only 4 watch faces, and you can customize your own screensaver. That was good. I kept my photo there as screensaver. As you can see, the screen is broken. So this is of no much use to me now, so I thought of doing a teardown video on this one. So here's the charger. It's a box charger. You put your watch like this inside and close it, then connect it to your power bank and it will get charged within 2 hours. And blood pressure monitor was near accurate because it has got a function of calibrating your blood pressure monitor with the actual blood pressure monitor, so through the app. So it was pretty convincing. It's not like other smartwatches which you can be used on the go for checking blood pressure. So this was a little bit convincing in that aspect because of the calibrating function. So as you can see, it's measuring my blood pressure. And the battery life, I used to get around 7 days of battery life. There's no GPS, and functions were pretty basic. So let's start with the teardown video. Okay, first let's turn off the watch. Long press, then again long press. Yeah, watch is turned off. Now start with the teardown. So the display here is some kind of plastic material. It's not glass, it's plastic, like Samsung use in their mobile device, that kind of thing. And you can see it's pretty easily scratched. No Gorilla Glass protection or anything like that. You cannot expect such quality in this price range, so I'm not complaining. Okay, this is my first teardown video, so please excuse my inexperience. Here back and front full of plastic, 2-pin charging point. Then you can see here the sensor. It has got some glass protection there. Okay, let's use a knife. It's better to use a heat gun to remove the adhesive underneath the glass, but I don't have a heat gun, so I have to use blunt force to get through the glass. Okay, let me pause and get back to you. Finally, I'm through the glass. Okay. Hmm. Touch button is situated here, so it's pretty simple setup. No ribbon cable is attached to the display here. Okay, the actual display is here. That's just the glass which protects the display. Stick, of course, glass stick. Here, let's see if it turns on. No sign of life. It's completely dead. Okay, so you can see one ribbon cable is attached to the motherboard, and the vibration motor is here. Pretty small vibration motor, and we have here 180 mAh battery. Let's remove the battery. Okay, pretty simple. The battery is being removed, and here you can see the charging pins and the heart rate sensor. The casing is very simple, no much protection is offered, no screws can be seen inside, nothing. So this is the whole setup of Q9 watch. A battery, heart rate sensor, vibration motor here, and you have small display, 1.2-inch display here. It's dead completely. I'm not a big fan of performing teardown videos on those brand new device. I always felt like those videos are like showing cold-blooded murder, so I would like to use this opportunity to perform my first teardown video using a broken Q9 smartwatch. So I don't think it's a murder, it's just an autopsy of a dying product. So I'm not guilty of doing a teardown video on a brand new product. That's satisfying, but it's fun breaking into a device like this, tearing down and seeing the inside. You can see how simple it is. The whole thing is very simple, and there's nothing much inside the case, so even you can replace it with much ease, no complication at all. So I'm not planning to do it because the device is already dead. So that's pretty much it is. Nothing much to discuss. Very simple mechanism inside. So let's remove the LCD. Yes, there's a ribbon cable. It's being attached to the motherboard itself, so that's how the LED is placed. There was little adhesive here, not enough to hold it in place if you apply blunt force. So this thing is not durable. I used it for 1.5 years, so I think I got lucky to use it for that long of a period. So I don't recommend this watch to anyone because pretty cheap watch, and they claim it's IP64 rated, but I don't think. I used it underwater for few times, but I don't think it will hold under immense pressure. So that's Q9 smartwatch for you.